Did you know that using old or damaged tools such as brushes, combs, and hair ties can cause damage to your hair? Using damaged tools can cause breakage, split ends, and tangles.
Okay, sir, let's go.
Also, dirty hair tools can cause bacteria and fungus, which can lead to scalp infections and loss of hair. So it's important to clean your hair tools regularly with soap and water for. Hello everyone, my name is Anna, and on this video I'm going to share 5 tips that can help you in your natural hair journey. But before we get into the video, please don't forget to like, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel. Now let's get into the video. So tip number 1 is prayer.
Okay, sir.
I know it sounds very simple, but it's very important. Always pray to God about your hair. Involve God in your natural hair journey. I mean, everything you have, it's because of Him. I'm saying this from experience, believe me. When I say that this is the thickest and the longest my hair has ever been. And I know that some people might see this as nothing, but to me this is my crown. This is my pride, because it took me 2 years, 2 good years, to get my hair where it is today. So I'm enjoying every second of my journey. Learn to enjoy yours. Tip number 2, learn to love your hair. Sometimes people think that starting afresh will change everything. I want to tell you that starting afresh doesn't change the texture of your hair. If you considered your hair as stubborn because of its tight curls, then nothing will change when you start growing your hair again. Many may even go for a big chop, like cut everything, because they had a bad experience. Let's say you experienced a lot of split ends before the big chop. Starting afresh won't make you escape split ends. When the ends of your hair become odd, you have to address why it is too much so that it doesn't happen again. Or maybe your hair was breaking excessively before the big chop. Starting afresh won't change a thing. So what if you keep experiencing the same problem again and again? Are you going to keep cutting your hair while trying to grow your hair at the same time? Well, I don't think so. So the solution is to find the cause and attack it from the source. Starting afresh doesn't mean your hair issues will automatically go away, because you have to figure out the solution to your problems. And how do you do that? By paying attention to your hair. Know what your hair needs. Learn to love and care for your hair. Be patient when combing or styling your hair, and if you can, please invest in yourself. What I mean is, find some simple hairstyles that you can do by yourself. It can be cornrows, braids, or twists, so that you don't have to go to the salon every time you want to do your hair. Because it's not everyone who is going to be as patient as you are when it comes to your natural hair, because you don't share the same goals in mind. Tip number 3, protective styles. Do a lot of protective styles. A protective style is basically any hairstyle that tucks away the ends of your hair and protects it against possible damage like weather, chemicals, and over manipulation. Tip number 4, learn to comb your hair the right way. I know that regularly brushing and combing your hair looks and feels healthy, but doing it the wrong way can damage your hair. Luckily for you, you will be able to detangle and comb your hair the right way if you follow these simple rules. When detangling your hair, always begin at the ends and work your way to the roots. If you start at the roots, you have to work the tangles through the entire length of your strands, which can cause breakage. Tip number 5, moisturize your hair. Moisturizing your hair is the most important step a lot of people skip or just don't know how to do it the right way. So after you've washed your hair with shampoo, deep condition, now your hair is ready to be moisturized. You have to follow with a butter or hair cream on your hair and an oil on your hair and scalp to ensure that the leave-in conditioner you just used doesn't evaporate quickly. So you are essentially sealing in that moisture with a hair butter and an oil. Moisturizing your hair is very important because it will make your hair soft and more manageable. Now come to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. See you.